Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza. Welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. Today I have a job that I'm doing for another stained glass artist because she's too busy. So she brought over the glass and she brought over the design. And I wanted to show you the way we're working it between us, because I thought this might be interesting for artists who aren't stained glass artists, so they can see how to prepare a design for somebody else to work on. So let me show you what I'm doing. So this is the design, and on every piece we've got a code which relates to the codes on the glass. So all the glass is labelled and all the pieces are labelled. There's 4 different shades of green, so I have to keep my wits about me not to cut the wrong ones. So also this is a double-sided design. Here it is, and it's a mirror, so every time I cut, I turn over, cut the same piece out using the back of the design. So again, I've got to really stay focused so I don't do something silly, because it's only just enough glass, especially with the clear glass. The clear cathedral's quite hard to get hold of at the moment. But I think I've done all the clear now, so I'm just going to cut a bit of the green and you'll see how I work. So this code is 5278, and these 3 pieces here are 5278. So let's just see what the best way is. I reckon we'll cut those first. So I'm dipping my cutter in oil because it's really cold today and I can't trust that the oil will flow nicely. There we go. Because of the bumpiness on the textured side of cathedral, when you cut it, it sometimes kind of swivels about, which is super annoying, which might be a reason to trace it and then cut it rather than put it on the actual design and cut it. So 28. So on the front side I've marked the numbers in blue, and on the back I've marked them in red, so I can hopefully keep track of myself. Never easy. Oh, wrong colour. Blue pen. 34. So I will just do this one and then I will flip it over. So 43. I'm going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. So it's these. So 28, 34, and 43. so you can see I've cut these two pieces out in one go. What I do next is I cut it off in the middle. And I'll come to that piece afterwards, as opposed to cutting this line. And the reason for that is I won't be able to trim that 2mm heart line from the middle. So that's that one. And then this one can get positioned underneath. I hope you can see the logic of what I was doing there. So that's those two. Probably that. There always comes a time when your sticker's in the wrong place. I know you know that. I'm not telling you anything you don't know. So now I have my pieces and I will write on them in the red colour. And 28. There we go. And I will put them on top of the other ones. Right. So I'm not going to do any more for you on camera because I think you can see the way this works. And I need to concentrate. So I finished leading this window now. I haven't actually soldered it, but you get the idea, and I'm very pleased with how it's gone together. It's come out just the right size for width. For length, I have a couple of mil to make up, which I can do, well, maybe 1 mil to make up, which I can do with a strengthening bar inside the perimeter 12 mil at the bottom. So yeah, I hope that gives you confidence if you're an artist to commission a piece of stained glass to your own design, or if you're a maker, that it is quite doable making to someone else's design. So thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe.